Ready? All right, so you've got your measurement here. And this is what you're going to use. You're not going to touch the wound because you don't have gloves on, but you're kind of going to guesstimate and just kind of place it up there so that you know the length. And then you'll use it to kind of get the width. You want to get the widest part. So we've got a good idea. It's about 6 centimeters long and about 2 centimeters wide. Okay, we're going to take this over here, set it down. So right now, we're done with that part. We're going to go over here and set up our sterile field. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open up this package. Remember, you've got the edges that you can grab because these are sterile. You want to roll this back. Open it that way. We don't want to cross our sterile field, so we're going to go ahead and prep this. So we want to make sure we got the right kind of, this is normal saline. The order said to flush it with normal saline. We're going to look for clarity, make sure it's not expired. If this has been opened, remember to take the lid off. You don't want to touch the inside. You want to place that down. Label to palm. And then you want to lip it. Right on your table. All right. So I'm going to leave my lid here. We've lipped it. And now we're going to 6 inches above. And just kind of wet these down. Okay? And then we'll replace the cap. Put it out of the way because you don't need it anymore. We're going to open these up. These are the 4x4. Set it down. Open away from you. ABD pad. Open away from you. Same thing, be real careful. They can move around and okay. I'm gonna take my piece of tape. Have that ready. Open up our cotton tip applicators. You do not want to touch the ends. You want to open it up like this. Pull that back. And I'm going to tape it right here on the end of my table. Alright, there's that. I'm going to take 3 pieces of tape. This is what we're going to secure the bandage on the skin with. You want to kind of roll the ends right here so it gives you have something to get a hold of when you're the next person or you are changing the dressing like the next day. Need 3 of them. There we go. And what I'm going to do is, while I've got this here, I'm going to go ahead and put my initials, credentials. And it's about, right now it's 1340. And today is the 9th. Remember, you have to write out 2020. Okay, so that's ready to go. All right, let's do our sterile gloves now. Y'all all remember how to put on sterile gloves. You're professionals at it now. Make sure the paper doesn't cross over. It doesn't touch your other sterile items. Got my elbows tucked in. I'm going to pick up the glove on the outside of the cuff. Step back. Go under the cuff. I don't use my thumb. So what I'm going to do, now I want to check for tunneling and the depth of the wound. So you're sterile, you're going to take out one of the cotton tip applicators. You're going to gently push down into the wound. And if I want to see the deepest point, I'll take this, kind of eyeball it, not touching the wound with my sterile hand, and then I would measure it. So that's about 2 centimeters, okay? And then you want to take this and you're going to just